Okay, let me break down brows for you. Hopefully I'll make it super simple. Maybe you're one of those people that overdid it with plucking the eyebrows and now they're gone for good. Let me share with you a couple of ways you can fill those in and still look super natural. I'm going to be using a brush. This one's like super tiny, nice and angled. And then I'm going to be using something in my compact. This is called Shadow Contour. I'm going to put a little product here on my brush and I'm going to come next to my nostril. So it's almost like my nostril up is where it's supposed to start. And then here on my nostril through the center of my pupil looking straight ahead, that's going to be the high point. Across the nostril, across the corner of your eye, that is going to be where you want to end. Now, don't be too stressed out about this. This is just a good place to start. So from there, what I want you to do is look at your brows. And I'm going to zoom in. And what I want you to do is brush your brows. By brushing your brows, you're going to be able to see the pattern of which hairs grow. That's what you want to mimic, okay? If you want a really natural brow, that's what you want to do. I'm tipping my brush upside down, okay? And I'm going to flick upwards. And by doing this, I have a little bit more control down on the bottom, but I'm getting a softer up top, okay? Your hair is growing this way, then you're going to be flicking this way. Always go based off of what you have. And here, make sure that you're not bringing that tail down too low. In the beginning, in my brows, I was bringing the tail down too quickly and that like drug my eyes down. You want to kind of keep them nice and lifted. If you have wild hairs, take some brow wax. You're going to need to activate this. This goes right in your compact. Take a little setting spray or a little water, and you're going to spritz onto the brow wax. Get it on the brush. And then I like to brush my brows the opposite direction first and then lift them up. Now you can actually do this step before you start applying, or you can do it after. So let me know if you need help choosing colors or if you're interested in the brow wax or brush. Happy to help.